Welcome to the channel. In the past few months, there's been a couple of posts online how people put away their 23-0 270-degree awning, and instead of responding to those posts, I just decided to record a video on how I put my awning away. I recorded this video in the plains of Colorado, just outside of Gunnison, in the Kirkanty National Recreation Area along the Blue Mesa Reservoir. So here I'm shaking out all of the things that have landed on my awning. You can see that I'm making triangles as I'm pulling the different sections and arms together. And I'm making sure that the straps that hook into the straps at the bottom, that they are separated. So here you can see I've gotten a little twisted here, and I need to make sure that those straps up at the top, you can see one at the left, I'm pulling that one out, now the middle, and now the right hand side. Those are key to make sure that you don't get those stuck in between the arms whenever you fold all of the layers back. So you can see all of the awning is in a triangle shape. It is key to get that first couple of arms whenever you swing that from the right to the left, to make sure that those are in a triangle form, and then also the three arms on the left, you have to pull that fabric out to make sure that it's a triangle. And then all of my tie downs, I just keep attached to the awning, and I roll those up into the awning with the fabric into that roll. So you can see I'm grabbing that one on the right that is giving me trouble, and I'm just rolling all of those tie downs into the fabric as part of the system. So here I'm getting up to the top, and I think I'm going to have some trouble with the straps up at the top. I've got a couple of straps that are hanging on the right and the left. I'll just tuck those in. But here we go with the first middle strap, and I'm giving that a good tug to make sure that that's tight. And then, of course, that buckle at the top has now wedged itself down in between the arms, and I got to pull that thing out. And it's no easy task to get that completed. Sometimes you have to unstrap that center strap and redo it all just to get those buckles out. So here I'm tucking in the last of the cords, the tie-down cords. They're not cooperating, but that's just the way it is. And then I take that right-hand strap, push the fabric up so I can get some leverage on it, tighten down that strap, tucking in the cord again, strapping that strap together to the buckle, pushing up, and then flipping the cover over the top. You might want to watch that to make sure that there's no water in there. I have been drenched with water if it has rained the night before. The nice thing is you can put away this awning wet and it will naturally drain through the holes in the bottom, but you'll want to air it out later. Then I have a couple of S-clips with zipper pulls that I secure the zippers together so they don't come apart when I'm driving. So that's how I put away my 23-0 270-degree awning. Thanks for watching.